Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today. A chilly start, but a mild finish as expected, but back to more winter-like temperatures as we head into the weekend. But we're going to see lots of sunshine, so no gray, gloomy days ahead. That's coming later next week. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. Got some nice snows across the Dakotas into the upper Midwest, heading for the Great Lakes, trailing frontal boundary down into Louisiana way. We can kind of see that with our wind shift line here. You see the kink in the winds out of the northwest here, out of the west-southwest here, and that's what allowed us to go from 35 degrees for a low this morning to 70 degrees officially in Lafayette. Don't see that kind of temperature spread too often, but it's a tribute to dry air. And as we mentioned yesterday, if we get a westerly component on the wind, mostly a westerly component, it warms up. But if we have a southwesterly or more southerly wind coming off the Gulf of Mexico, that Gulf is cooler now, and that keeps us cooler. So here comes the front, though. That's going to be pushing on through with little fanfare. Showers will develop along that front once it's east of us. Breezy and cooler air moving back in. Tomorrow morning temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s and wind chills in the low to mid 30s, and then a breezy and cool day tomorrow with gusty west to northwest winds. Model going for 18 sustained, gusts to 30. That looks pretty good, especially for any time between noon and about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And it stays quite breezy. That pressure gradient staying pretty tight across the area. So chilly conditions with temperatures getting down into the mid 30s, wind chills getting down into the upper 20s to lower 30s as we head into Saturday morning. And Saturday, lots of sunshine, another cool day, temperatures closer to the mid 50s, and again, nary a cloud to be found. And maybe we'll see some high clouds coming in as we head into Sunday. A little bit of a frontal trough trying to come on through, but we'll probably see temperatures close to the freezing mark as we head into your Sunday morning. Tomorrow morning, though, upper 30s for most of us, but there's going to be a little bit of a wind chill factor. 39 in Opelousas and the wind chill there at about 35. I think the winds will be a little bit breezier than what's indicated now, but they really pick up tomorrow once the sun rises. Upper 30s to near 40 I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same along the coast. 42 in Morgan City, 45, 46 over toward Cameron for your morning start. Then temperatures tomorrow have a hard time getting out of the mid 50s. We'll go about 57, 58 for the high tomorrow at best. And then tomorrow night, you see lots of blue coming in, so temperatures dropping down into the mid 30s. Wind chills come Saturday morning in the upper 20s, so bundle on up, but at least we see the sun and temperatures back into the 50s for Saturday afternoon. Still a breeze out of the northwest Saturday, but those winds not as strong as what they will be tomorrow. In fact, speaking of the winds, is the winds plotted up by intensity, and again, you can see sustained winds 17 to 20. That means we'll see gusts up to 30 tomorrow afternoon, and the directional will be out of the west-northwest versus the west-southwest. That's what we saw today, but it's still pretty much a westerly wind, but a brisk one at that. So a brisk January night for sure, turning breezy and colder. Wind chilly by tomorrow morning, 39 to 40 or low, and then tomorrow a blustery January day, but typical for this time of year. 58 the high with lots of sunshine and those winds gusting as high as 30 tomorrow afternoon. As we move it on down, we'll see temperatures continuing in the 50s through Sunday, maybe a freeze for Sunday morning, and then going into next week, milder weather for MLK Day through the middle part of next week, and then our next best chance of rain and maybe some storms now pushed back to Thursday. That's it for weather for now.